Hi. The goal of this video is going to be to show you how to create a speech with some powerful images to bring the text that you are talking about alive. So we're going to be doing this project in WeVideo. The first thing to do when you go into WeVideo will be to create a new edit. The format we want to use for this video is horizontal, and go ahead and start editing. When you open your project, you'll probably see a mode that looks like this. We're going to keep things simple for this project, and we're going to go over here to the menu bar, and we are going to switch to storyboard. That's really all we're going to be using in this project. We're going to have a title slide. We are going to add in some images, and then we're going to do a voiceover. So those are the main things we're going to be using in this project. To edit your title slide, you will just click on the title, click on the pencil icon, and then I know it's tempting to want to click over here to edit it, but you actually just edit your text right here. You can play with the size of your text, just like so. You can have multi-line, you can change the font, and so forth. When you're done, just press Done Editing. To see what we have done so far, press the play button. I know, that was incredibly exciting. What you need to know is down here, this says 5. That means it lasts for 5 seconds. If I want the title to be quicker, then I would just drag it in like this. And you can see that it is now down to 3 seconds. When I let go, do not be fooled. It looks like it's exactly the same length, but you have to look down here. All the clips are gonna look the same. You just have to look down here to see how long it actually lasts. So far we've talked about the title. Hit the pencil icon to edit, done editing when you're done, and then you can drag it out or in to make it longer or shorter. The size of that clip isn't gonna change. Just take note of what it says down there. That's almost a 5-second clip. The next step is gonna be to insert your images. Now you might be able to find some of your images right in WeVideo. Right on this star icon, you can do a search. You might find things that are relevant or you might not. It depends on your project and what you're doing. So say this was relevant, I'm gonna just drag it in. You can see right here that this is a 20-second clip. Depending on what I'm saying at that time, I may want it longer or I may want it shorter. So you can adjust as needed. The longest this specific clip can be is 20 seconds because it's actually a video clip. You can see the people are actually walking a little bit. If I need to edit this video at any point, I can again hit the pencil icon, and things that I can do are I can zoom in. I can also move it around if I need to. So I can zoom in and out and pan. If you want to restore back, just hit this reset. I can rotate the image. I can apply an animation. So say that you want to do an effect where it starts like this, but then at the end of the clip, it has actually zoomed way in. So I could scale it up and move it here. Then let me show you what that looks like. So the start was a whole clip, and then by the end, it will have zoomed to the area that I said it should zoom to. So again, that was clicking on the pencil icon and just doing at the end what I want the ending clip to look like. And the start, I just made it the whole thing. You can also speed a clip up or slow it down if you want to do a time lapse of any sort. If you need a caption for your image, you would just add that in right here. So everything you need is pretty much under the pencil icon. If you want to bring in your own image from your desktop, go to Media, then hit this upload button, and then browse to select from your desktop. I will go ahead and just bring in a clip that I was using for another project, which was of the hand. Just drag it in. So that was from my desktop before, and there we go. Again, if I needed to adjust that clip in any way, click on the pencil icon and you can do so. This clip can be extended out or down as necessary. For my project, I want to end with an ending slide, which is not here by default. So if you click on the text icon right here, then I can add in some text. Just pull it in. And then again, click on the pencil icon. Here I see the secondary text, primary text, the end. That's all I'm doing there. To preview my whole video, you can see that it's now 39 seconds long. Go back to the beginning, press the play button. There's really no transitions there that I've done yet. You can click on the theme button right here if you want to add some transitions that they have. If I use that theme, you'll see what happened. it applies that theme. So that one's probably too glitzy for this project that you're trying to do. You might want to keep it simple for this project at the basic, but those themes are an option for you. The final thing that might be the most important part of this project is to actually record your speech. So to record that, you can record directly in WeVideo, or if you've already recorded on your phone, you can just pull in that media. So if you've recorded on your phone, you can go ahead and get your phone recording to your laptop and then use this upload button in order to pull in whatever you've recorded onto your phone into WeVideo. If you want to record directly from your laptop, you just press this record. You want to preview while you're recording, because then you can kind of make sure that your voice syncs up with whatever's happening on your screen, and then you press the record button. Note that the first time you use this, there might be a little pop-up that comes that asks you, do you want to give WeVideo permission to use your microphone? Make sure you press yes. So I've been recording this whole time. As soon as it goes the whole way through and I'm done, I would press the stop button. I can preview if I want. Make sure that your volume on that is up so that you can hear it real well. Press the check mark. So now you can see that my audio is attached to my final project. Now, for this project, you probably don't need it, but I just want you to know in the future, you can also put a music track in the background. So say I put this music track in the background, I can have the music playing with my voice. Note that the first time you use this, there might be a little... Okay, if I need to take that off, you just click on the audio, delete it. Note that the first time you use... And now I'm back to just my voice. When I'm done with the whole project, I would press finish, put a title, set, and then go ahead and just produce it in 720p HD. You can choose to download it to your Google Drive so that you have it. If you press finish, it will just produce to WeVideo if you haven't selected any of these, and then press finish. And then when it is done, you'll actually get an email that says that it's done. So as soon as things have finished processing, you will get the ability to download your video. You'll also get a video link that's directly in WeVideo. And if you go to your Google Drive, you will find your WeVideo project actually there. And you should also see a WeVideo folder that's automatically been created for you in your Google Drive. I put mine tucked away in my stuff and my WeVideo folder. So there it is. Anyway, I hope this helps you and that you enjoy your project.